Hey guys, it's Gloria. Welcome to Tinker Wonderland. So I'm just going to bring you with me. We're gonna take a walk. Taking a walk. Cause I feel bored in the house. I want to take a walk a little bit. Feel like I need to cut a little bit of fats. A little bit of fats and a little bit of boredom. I am bored in the house. Just I'm getting tired of just sitting in my couch and watching TV on my day off. So yeah, actually it's my day off today. So I think it's more healthy to go out. I let my hubby to stay inside, stay in the house since he has a game tonight. So yeah, he has a weekly games scheduled, and yeah, I will just let him do what makes him happy, and I will do what makes me happy. So that's why I take a walk alone. I am alone now, and walking makes me happy. At least I'm releasing some of my boredom, and it will also help me cut a little bit of fat. So yeah, so as you can see guys, the rain just stopped, and I actually we're having a nice weather. It's not that bad, as you can see. Look at the sky, isn't that nice? And yeah, and yes, I have my backpack here. It's my water bag. What do you call this? Yeah. So I am ready for my walk. I always bring water with me, and of course, because my hand is not a good in grip. I don't have a good grip, so I prefer to have my water backpack with me. It's a camelback, so my hands is free. So I have my phone with me. I don't have a tripod, if you can notice that. So apologize for the wiggling of my phone. I don't have a backpack. I don't have my tripod with me, but I have my lanyard hook on my phone, so I won't drop it again. So here we go guys, just a normal walking along the neighborhood. So here is my neighborhood. There's not much car here, so we're safe. So as you notice, I am not that far in my house yet, but I'm already catching my breath. Which means I am not healthy anymore. So I have to go back in shape while it's still summer, so I can go out and take a walk outside the house. Yeah, so here I am not that far yet. As what I said, I will show you a little bit some places that is nice here. So to all new on this channel, you guys know that to my current subscribers, you guys already know some of the nice place that I show you in my channel recently. Before, while I'm doing my walk exercise, I was actually planning to do my bike, or to use my bike, go biking, but I thought I need more walking for now than biking. So yeah, I'll be back later guys, so I can show you some of the beautiful place here some of the beautiful spot here in our place. I'll be back. See you later. I am here right now in what we call Iowa River. It's the Iowa River Greenbelt community here in Iowa Falls, and I'm going to cross. This is the bridge. This is the bridge, but I'm not going there yet. I'm going to cross here, so I will go to the other side. So just wait for the car to pass, and then I will also cross the streets. So here we go, crossing the bridge. So this is our place, guys. To everyone who just wanna know or wanna see the outside of our place. So this is it. So like I said, I am just walking along our neighborhood. Hubby and I is planning to get a camper like that. That it's not that big, but just enough for us. So right here, as you can see, if there's you see some flags there. This is where you can find the names of the veterans from the military. They have their names here. I believe I have my husband's names here. Those are the names of the veterans. Right here on the side we have the Vietnam military people. On this side we have the World War II. Those are the people who fought World War II. At the back of it there is more right there. This one is the Korean War. Names from the Korean War. On this side, more for the Vietnam and post-Vietnam names. There's a small bench here, and in the middle they have this preamble. There is the preamble and the Veterans Service Oath. On this side, this is the front side. There is a nation is born, nurtured, and defended by veterans. So yeah, this is a place where we honor the veterans here. And on this side there's another World War I and World War II names. This side there is the War of 1812 and Spanish-American War names of the people, the veterans. And on this side another World War I. Well, let me see if I can check, if I can see my husband's name here. So I didn't find my husband's name here. I believe his name is on the other part of this this place in Ackley. So I am here in Iowa Falls, but I saw my father-in-law. That is my father-in-law, Gardner Larry. That is his name. So yeah, those are all the veterans here. So my father-in-law fought the Vietnam War. Okay, so let's move on. I will show you some more beautiful spot here. As you can see that, guys, there's an Indian sculpture right there. There is an Indian sculpture, but I am not sure what is this for. I forgot what you call it. So we're gonna get close to it and we'll see. So I saw some flowers here. Somebody just put flowers here. They have solar light. So that's how it looks. It's an Indian sculpture. And yeah, so right here is the definition of it. It says you are viewing an original Peter Todd Indian monument that was dedicated on this spot July 4th of 1978. So this has been here for since July 4th of 1978. Peter Todd is a Hungarian sculptor, has given this gift of one Indian monument to every state in the Union. And unfortunately, the city of Iowa Falls was chosen for the Iowa site. This monument was carved from a locally grown cottonwood tree, and including pedestal and feather is 33 feet in height. The design is a taut original with the three disset headband and the neck brooch similar to ones worn by the local Indian tribes. Iowa Falls and the others 49 sites for Peter Todd Indian monuments can be eternally grateful for this gift from the gifted outdoor sculptor Peter Todd. So that is the sculptor. It's Peter Todd. So how beautiful is that, guys? This is the spot where they put this sculpture right there. So sweet, right? And very, very nice. And along the side is this beautiful river. We have this beautiful river here, and we have that hanging, as you can see, there is a hanging bridge right there, which I got a challenge on that bridge before to cross it. So now I am going to cross it, and I will show you the closer look. I will give you a closer look on that bridge. Let's go there. So I have to walk around, take a walk, and just to cross that bridge. As you can see, guys, I'm the only one walking here on the streets. There's not much people wants to go out yet. They're still scared of the virus. But since I am fully vaccinated now, I'm a little bit protected with it, so that is fine. So I'm on my way to the bridge. I will show you that. So right now we are here in Assembly Park. This was established in 1969. So here is the park. We have that like a court there for badminton, lawn tennis, and basketball. So this is the park where we can go past to the bridge right there. So let me show you guys. So here is the park. There is a small playground right there, and amenities, some of the amenities that we have. Recreational area right there. So as you can see, there's a playground. And look at the trees, guys. I love the trees here. So yeah, like I said, there's not much people. Oh, there's some people right there. Finally, I saw people walking. So there's a kid too. And here is the place going down to that bridge, the hanging bridge that I just showed you. There's a small bench here to get some rest. And then you could also just walk around here. There's a path here to walk around the around the park, and there's also a pathway here, so you can turn around and walk right there. So yeah, so right here is the bridge. We're gonna pass the bridge. Before, I'm so scared to pass this bridge because it wiggles. Like I said, it's a hanging bridge. But since I tried it the first time, this is the second time I'm going to try it again. So I think, I believe it's sturdy enough. That's why I didn't bring my bike with me, so I can pass this bridge again. So there you go, guys. So as you can see, this bridge was made with a very old, it's getting old now. The wood is getting old, but it's still sturdy. So yeah, it's a little long, so that's how long it is. So we're gonna pass it, and there's a warning there that says jumping off bridge is not allowed. So as you can see, guys, it's just made of wood, but there is also a steel that supporting the bridge, and they put a light. It's like a light there, so you can see it at night. So here we go. So here's our bridge, and yes, I told you it wiggled. So I have to hold on to the handrails. Look at the beautiful scenery here. Look at the water. Very nice, isn't it? So that is the place where we at earlier, where the Indian sculpture is. That is where it is located. So I just walk around to pass this bridge to where the waterfalls are. So that is the river, and I'm gonna zoom it out. Across the bridge is this way. This is the other side of the bridge, or the other side of the bridge. The water is so quiet, and there's the other side of the park. Okay, let's continue to walk here, still holding on to the handrail. And here is the definition or the description of this bridge. It says here, the swinging bridge. So we call this the swinging bridge. Originally built in 1897, rebuilt in 1909, 1925, 1956, and now again rebuilt and reopened the 2nd day of July 1989. So it's been rebuilt many years ago, and then it was built again in the 2nd day of July 1989. And it says here, thanks to the generosity of some people, of course the mayor, and so yeah, it was here in Riverside World, Iowa Falls, Iowa. So there you go. So we have more ways to go. Let's cross this. I am so scared here before because I'm a little bit scared of the height. Actually, I'm not looking down. I'm trying to look up straight. And we're almost there. Okay. So far, it just wiggles a little bit. And we're almost in the end. And I made it, guys! Oh my god, but I'm holding my breath. So here is the other side of the bridge. As you can see how beautiful it is. That's the other side. And look how far I went Look how far I cross. And yeah, there's a little bit of holding off my breath there because I'm still scared because of the wiggle thing. it's bouncing back and forth when you walk, but still it's still safe. So if you can see, there's a line or a cord right there connected to the post for the lights, and I believe that is also for security. So yeah, and yeah, now I'm going back. I'm gonna go back and cross it again because I don't want to go on this side. I don't want to walk on this side of the bridge because I'm not used to it, and I don't know where I'm gonna go on this part. So going back. I'm a little bit nervous, but I can conquer my fear, right? So going back to the other side. It's quite make you dizzy if you just stare on the water. It's making me dizzy, but I can do it. I am here in the middle of the bridge, and yes, I'm holding on the handrail because I'm a little bit scared, but I have to conquer my fear. There you go. You're gonna go back at on the other end. So that's the other end of the bridge. As you can see, I am right in the middle now. Then we're gonna go back to the other side. Okay, there we go. Going back to the other side. All right, there you go, guys. I made it. So we're here back to the other side. So that's the end of the bridge. So don't you want to congratulate me, guys? Yeah, congratulate me, and I made it again. Yay. second time around for crossing the bridge. So there you go. Now let me show you the other side of this park where the playground is. It's just a small park, that, guys, and I am catching my breath again. I'm really not healthy anymore. I have to go back in shape. Help me go back in shape. So here is the playground. We're just gonna walk around here. And here is the other end of the park. Okay, so that's all about it, guys. And we're almost out of the park now. So that is what I can show you for now. I will just keep on walking, and on my next video I will show you the other park that I've been going through before. So I'm just gonna go back there and make a video for you, so you can also see our place. There you go, guys. That is the assembly park where the one that I show you just right now. And yeah, I am going to go. I will go to the other side of the park, and I will show you that. And I'm just gonna show that to you on my next video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe on this channel, Thinker Wonderland. See you on the next vlog. God bless everyone. Bye bye for now.